Still dealing with harsh sunlight and zero privacy? Upgrade your space instantly with these custom bamboo blinds. They filter light beautifully, keep your home cool, and add natural high-end look without high-end price. They're perfect for windows, patios, or decks, and they install in just minutes. They're stylish, functional, and made to fit your space. Once you try these, you won't want to go back. These were provided for me from my honest review, and look how they have transformed this dated glass block window to this beautiful warm upgrade. Over this bathtub here, it's always been a hard spot to fill, but this is just perfect. Your windows shouldn't just block light, they should elevate your entire space. They're not complicated, they're very simple in the design. They simply pull up beautifully, and they will elevate your space, add beautiful warmth to a normally cold window here, and give you privacy and light filtering at the same time. You have the ability to lock it at any position, and you have the ability to lower it and keep it in your favorite spot or keep it all the way down. It's a beautiful upgrade provided for me from my honest decorator opinion, and I really like it. They assemble very easily with these beautiful natural colored jute strings and bamboo shades and 3 simple hooks that add such dimension to this window. I think it's beautiful. I love it, and I highly recommend it.